No, I don't think the plane can tip over in the sky, but this is quite a bit of wind, isn't it? Oh, more lightning.
You can't see hail. It's too hard to see.
It's hard to see hail. Is this exciting?
Yeah. Stop. Why can I stop?
Oh, looks like the rain just stopped. Oh, it's coming back.
The wind is blowing high.
It is, I know. It feels like the plane's in the air, doesn't it? We're moving quite a bit. Oh my goodness, I can barely see that other airplane next to us now.
Huh?
So much rain.
Are we going through the thunder?
We're just sitting here and the storm's going over us.
Are we moving? When I push the buttons, I can control it. I can control the and then window is this one on? Is this?
I'll do one more minute, then I'll turn this off, okay?
Turn off?
Yeah, I'll stop doing the video. Wow, the rain's coming back again.
Can this stop?
What, the rain? It will rain. It'll stop.
Please stop.
We want to take off, right?
Yeah. We can't fight all
Oh my goodness.
rain. Thunder we get.